In 72 hours, the one-to-one-to-one portal opens, and whatever sentence you say at that portal entrance will either make you rich in 2026 or keep you broke for the next 365 days. There is no middle ground. Most people will enter that portal thinking about bills, stress, and survival, and the portal will lock that in for an entire year. They'll wonder why 2026 feels exactly like 2025, why nothing changes, why money still feels hard. But you're about to learn the exact sentence that opens the portal and activates automatic wealth. 5 words. That's it. 5 words that reprogram your entire financial reality for 365 days. And if you don't say this sentence on January 1st, you will spend all of 2026 watching other people win while you stay stuck. The portal doesn't wait. The portal doesn't care. The portal amplifies whatever you bring to it. So here's what's going to happen in the next few minutes. I'm going to reveal the exact sentence. I'm going to break down why it works, and I'm going to give you the exact protocol to activate it so large amounts start flowing to you automatically and naturally in 2026. But first, you need to understand why most people will completely waste this portal. Here's what 99% of people do on New Year's Day. They wake up. They say, I hope this year is better. They make a resolution to save money, work harder, maybe start a side hustle. And they think that's manifestation. It's not. That's hoping. That's wishing. That's treating the one-to-one-to-one portal like a birthday candle you blow out and make a wish. The portal doesn't respond to hope. It doesn't respond to wishes. It responds to identity. Let me say that again because this is where people lose. The portal responds to who you are, not what you want. When you say, I hope I make more money in 2026, the portal hears, I am someone who hopes for money. That's a lack frequency. That's desperation. And the portal will amplify that for 365 days. When you say, I need to manifest wealth, the portal hears, I am someone who needs. Needing is not having. The portal locks in the needing, not the wealth. This is why people enter the portal every single year and nothing changes. Same struggle, same stress, same bills, different year. Because they're activating the portal with the wrong identity. They're entering with lack, with hope, with need. And the portal says, okay, you want more lack? You want more hoping? Done. Here's 365 days of it. The portal is neutral. It doesn't judge. It doesn't care if you're a good person or a bad person. It only amplifies what you bring to it. So if you bring struggle, you get 365 days of struggle. If you bring wealth consciousness, you get 365 days of wealth. And the sentence I'm about to give you? It installs wealth consciousness at the portal entrance so deeply that large amounts start showing up automatically. But before I reveal it, you need to understand what the one-to-one-to-one portal actually is. January 1st, 2026. 111, 3 ones. This isn't a coincidence. This is a frequency alignment. The number 1 represents new beginnings, manifestation, and source energy. When you get 3 ones in a row, you get a portal, a window, a doorway into a new reality. And here's what most people don't understand. The portal is open for 24 hours. That's it. January 1st, midnight to midnight. After that, it closes. And whatever you installed during those 24 hours becomes your baseline frequency for the next 365 days. Think of it like programming a computer. January 1st is the day the system reboots, and whatever code you input on that day runs for the entire year. If you input, I am struggling, that program runs for 365 days. If you input, I am wealthy, that program runs for 365 days. But here's where it gets even more powerful. The portal doesn't just set your frequency, it amplifies it. Whatever identity you claim on January 1st gets magnified every single day for a year. Let's say you install, I receive large amounts naturally on January 1st. Day 1, that frequency is active. Day 2, it compounds. Day 30, it's 30 times stronger. Day 100, it's 100 times stronger. By day 365, you've compounded that wealth frequency 365 times. That's why people who activate the portal correctly have breakthrough years. Not because they worked harder, not because they got lucky, because they installed the right identity on the right day and let it compound. But if you install the wrong identity, if you say, I hope things get better, or I need money to come in, that compounds too. And by day 365, you're 365 times deeper in lack consciousness. The portal is the most powerful manifestation tool of the year, and most people waste it because they don't know the exact sentence to say. So let me give it to you right now. The sentence that opens the one-to-one-to-one portal and activates automatic wealth for 365 days is this: I receive large amounts naturally. 5 words, that's it. I receive large amounts naturally. Now, I know some of you are thinking, that's it? That's the big secret? Yes, because it's not about the words, it's about the identity those words install. Let me break this down word by word, because if you don't understand why this works, you won't say it with the energy required to activate the portal. But before I break it down, I need you to do something right now. Type this sentence in the comments. I receive large amounts naturally. This is your first repetition. This is you claiming this identity before the portal even opens. Do it now. Type it in the comments. Because the people who actually do this are the ones who will activate the portal correctly. Everyone else will just watch and forget. So pause the video, type the sentence, then come back. Done? Good. Now let me show you why this sentence is so powerful. I receive large amounts naturally. Let's start with I receive. Not I want. Not I attract. Not I manifest. I receive. Receiving is a passive frequency. It means you don't have to chase. You don't have to force. You don't have to hustle yourself into burnout. You receive. Like breathing, like gravity, it comes to you. When you say I receive, you're telling the portal, I am someone who wealth flows to. I don't chase it. It chases me. That's a completely different identity than 99% of people who are grinding, forcing, and exhausting themselves trying to make money happen. Next, large amounts. Not small amounts. Not a little extra cash. Large amounts. The portal doesn't limit you. You limit you. Most people are too scared to claim large amounts because they don't believe they deserve it. So they say things like, I manifest abundance, or money flows to me. Vague, safe, small. But when you say large amounts, you're giving the portal permission to bring you big sums, unexpected checks, surprise income, opportunities that pay 10 times what you're used to. The portal will give you exactly what you claim. If you claim small, you get small. If you claim large, you get large. And finally, naturally. This is the most important word in the entire sentence. Naturally means it's your nature. It's who you are. It's not something you force. It's not something you work 80 hours a week for. It's natural. Like a tree doesn't try to grow, it just grows, naturally. That's what you're installing with this word. You're telling the portal, receiving large amounts is my default state. It's not a miracle. It's not luck. It's natural for me. When the portal hears that, it locks in that identity. And for 365 days, large amounts will show up in ways that feel natural, easy, and effortless. That's the power of this sentence. It installs a wealth identity so deep that money flows to you without resistance, without force, without struggle. And if you activate this correctly on January 1st, you will look back at 2026 and realize it was the year everything changed. Now let me tell you why this works. And I'm not talking theory. I'm talking about what actually happens when you install this identity at the portal. I activated a version of this sentence at the last major portal opening. Within 30 days, $12,000 showed up from sources I didn't plan for. A client I hadn't worked with in a year reached out with a project. A refund I forgot about came through. An opportunity I didn't apply for landed in my inbox. None of it felt forced. None of it felt like I was grinding. It felt natural. Like the universe was just delivering. And that's because when you say, I receive large amounts naturally, your subconscious brain doesn't argue. It accepts it as fact. Your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. It only knows repetition. And when you repeat, I receive large amounts naturally on January 1st, your brain says, okay, that's who we are now. Let me start scanning for opportunities that match this identity. And suddenly you notice things you would have missed before. You act on opportunities you would have ignored. You say yes to things you would have said no to. Not because you're forcing it, because your identity shifted. That's the science of this. Your identity determines your awareness. Your awareness determines your actions. Your actions determine your results. Most people are trying to change their results without changing their identity. That's why nothing sticks. That's why every year feels the same. But when you use the portal to install a new identity, everything downstream changes automatically. You don't have to figure out how the money will come. You don't have to make a plan. You don't have to force anything. You just receive, naturally. And the portal amplifies that for 365 days. Now here's where most people will screw this up. They'll say the sentence, They'll feel good for 5 minutes, and then they'll go right back to their old identity. Let me tell you the fatal mistakes that will cancel your portal activation. Mistake number 1, saying it without belief. If you say, "I receive large amounts naturally," while thinking, "Yeah, right, this will never work for me," the portal hears the doubt, not the words. Your energy matters more than your words. If you don't believe it, don't say it. Work on your belief first. Mistake number 2, saying it once and forgetting. The portal doesn't activate with one repetition. You need to saturate your consciousness on January 1st. That means repeating this sentence minimum 20 times throughout the day. Most people say it once at midnight and wonder why nothing happens. Repetition is how you install identity. Mistake number 3, mixing frequencies. You say, "I receive large amounts naturally," and then 5 minutes later you're complaining about bills, stressing about money, checking your bank account with anxiety. That cancels the activation. You can't claim wealth and operate from lack at the same time. The portal will choose the stronger frequency, and if fear is stronger than faith, fear wins. Mistake number 4, waiting until midnight. Here's something most people don't know. The portal starts activating on December 31st at 6 p.m. That's when the frequency shift begins. If you wait until midnight, you're late. You need to start your activation on New Year's Eve before the clock strikes 12. Mistake number 5, not protecting your frequency on January 1st. January 1st is a sacred day. If you spend it hungover, scrolling social media, arguing with people, or consuming negativity, you're polluting your activation. The portal is open for 24 hours. Treat that day like your financial life depends on it, because it does. If you make any of these mistakes, the portal will close on you, and you'll spend 2026 wondering why everyone else seems to be winning while you're still stuck. So right now, type in the comments again, "I receive large amounts naturally." This is your second repetition. You're building momentum. You're preparing for the portal activation, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now, because on January 2nd, I'm posting a follow-up video on what to do after the portal closes to keep the momentum going. Type the sentence, "subscribe," then come back for the exact protocol. Alright, here's the exact protocol for activating the one-to-one-to-one portal and locking in this identity for 365 days. December 31st, 6 p.m. Say the sentence 3 times out loud. "I receive large amounts naturally." This is your pre-activation. You're preparing your frequency for the portal opening. December 31st, 11:59 p.m. As the clock counts down to midnight, repeat the sentence in your mind or out loud. When the clock strikes 12 a.m., say it with intention. "I receive large amounts naturally." This is you stepping through the portal. January 1st, the moment you wake up, before you check your phone, before you scroll social media, before you do anything, say the sentence 10 times, out loud. This is you anchoring the identity first thing in your day. January 1st, throughout the day, set reminders on your phone for every hour. Every hour, repeat the sentence once. That's a minimum of 12 repetitions if you're awake for 12 hours. This keeps the frequency active all day. January 1st, before bed, say the sentence 5 times while visualizing large amounts flowing to you. See yourself receiving. Feel what it feels like to receive naturally. This programs your subconscious while you sleep. Total repetitions on January 1st, minimum 20 times. This is how you lock in the identity. This is how you saturate your consciousness. This is how the portal amplifies your frequency for 365 days. If you follow this protocol exactly, you will see large amounts show up in 2026. Not because I said so, because you installed the identity that attracts it. Now some of you are thinking, this sounds too easy. What if I do all this and nothing happens? Let me be very clear. If nothing happens, it's not because the portal doesn't work. It's because you didn't actually shift your identity. You can't say, "I receive large amounts naturally," and then spend the rest of January worrying about money. You can't claim wealth and operate from scarcity. The portal responds to who you are, not what you say. That's why repetition matters. That's why belief matters. That's why protecting your frequency on January 1st matters. If you say this sentence 20 times on January 1st, but you don't feel like someone who receives large amounts naturally, the portal won't activate. You'll just be repeating words. But if you say it 20 times and you embody it, and you let yourself feel what it's like to be someone who receives naturally, the portal locks it in, and your reality starts shifting immediately. Some of you will see results in 7 days, some in 30 days, some in 90 days. But if you stay in the identity, the results will come. Because that's how manifestation works. Identity first, results second, not the other way around. So, how to 10x the portal effect? Now, if you want to take this to the next level, here are 5 amplification tactics that will make your portal activation unstoppable. Amplification number 1. Write it 33 times on January 1st. 33 is a master manifestation number. Writing activates a different part of your brain than speaking. Write "I receive large amounts naturally" 33 times in a journal on January 1st. This deepens the installation. Amplification number 2. Say it while looking in the mirror. When you look yourself in the eyes and say, "I receive large amounts naturally," you're activating self-identity. This makes it personal. This makes it real. Do this at least once on January 1st. Amplification number 3. Record yourself saying it and play it on loop. Record a voice memo of yourself saying the sentence 10 times. Play it on loop while you work, while you sleep, while you move through your day. This is subconscious reprogramming on autopilot. Amplification number 4. Set phone reminders every hour. Don't rely on memory. Set alarms. Label them portal activation. When the alarm goes off, stop what you're doing and repeat the sentence. This ensures you hit your 20 repetitions minimum. Amplification number 5. Say it out loud, not just in your head. Vibration matters. When you speak, you create sound waves. Sound waves create frequency. Frequency creates reality. Say it out loud. Let your voice carry the command into the universe. If you do all 5 of these amplification tactics on January 1st, your portal activation will be 10 times stronger than someone who just repeats it a few times and forgets. Listen to me very carefully. You have 72 hours until the portal opens. This is not a drill. This is not theory. This is not something you can try later. January 1st will come whether you're ready or not. The portal will open whether you activate it or not. But only the people who enter with the right sentence, with the right identity, with the right protocol will receive large amounts naturally in 2026. Everyone else will spend the year hoping, wishing, struggling, and wondering why nothing changes. You're watching this video for a reason. You've made it this far for a reason. You're being prepared. So don't waste this. Set a reminder for December 31st at 6 p.m. Prepare yourself. Get clear on the sentence. Get clear on the protocol. And when the portal opens, step through it with certainty. Here's what I need you to do right now before you close this video. Step 1. Comment the sentence one final time. I receive large amounts naturally. This is your commitment. This is you telling the universe you're ready. Step 2. Subscribe to this channel. On January 2nd, I'm releasing the follow-up video, What to Do After the Portal Closes to Maintain Your Frequency and Accelerate Your Results. Step 3. Set a reminder for December 31st at 6 p.m. to begin your portal activation. If you do these 3 things, you're in the 1% who will actually act on this information. Everyone else will watch, nod, and forget. Don't be everyone else. The 1-to-1-to-1 portal is the most powerful manifestation window of the entire year. You've been given the exact sentence. You've been given the exact protocol. You've been given the exact timing. Now it's on you. Say, I receive large amounts naturally at the portal entrance. Follow the protocol. Protect your frequency. And watch what happens in 2026. Large amounts will flow to you. Naturally. Automatically. Constantly. I'll see you on the other side of the portal.